Hi, this is Marie from Legacy Publishing. Today we are going to focus on commodity stocks. Chuck, I know that commodity stocks comprise a large percentage of your current trading portfolios. Can you tell us what indicator you used that led to the heavy weighting of commodity stocks in your portfolio?
Marie, my favorite commodity timing indicator is the CRB Index 20 and 50-day simple moving averages. The CRB Index measures 23 different commodity prices. When the CRB Index 20-day simple moving average crosses above the longer-term 50-day simple moving average, a bullish price trend is indicated. And when the 20-day moving average crosses below the 50-day moving average, a bearish trend is indicated. We can see from this daily price chart that recently the CRB Index 20-day moving average, which is the blue line, crossed above the 50-day moving average, which is the red line. This indicated commodities are in a bullish price trend. Now, even though the price of the CRB Index is currently up about 6% after this latest buy signal, the index is still down more than 48% since the July 2008 high. Favorable fundamental indicators point to higher prices ahead for commodities, and I think there's still room for the CRB Index and commodity stocks to move higher. Some of these fundamental indicators would include the sharp increase in the money supply and the $2 trillion budget deficit, which point to an increase in inflation and higher commodity prices. The decline in the U.S. dollar also leads to higher prices for dollar-priced commodities. And we are also seeing signs of increasing demand for commodities from the Chinese as they put their stimulus plan into effect, and from other emerging economies. Joy Global manufactures mining equipment and just reported a 67% increase in profits in the most recent quarter. The demand for mining equipment, I think, is a good measure of the overall pulse of the commodity markets. The Joy Global CEO, Michael Sutherland, was interviewed recently on CNBC, and he reported that despite the worldwide recession, Chinese imports of commodities has actually reached an all-time high as a result of their infrastructure build-out. So I think these fundamental indicators point to increased inflation and commodity prices going forward.
Chuck, can you show us some examples of commodity stocks in your current portfolio?
Marie, I am displaying my current brokerage account profit-loss reports. I circled the commodity and energy-related stocks that are in my portfolio. You can see from these reports that the commodity and energy stocks make up a large portion of my current stock positions. These commodity and energy-related stocks have currently produced over $331,000 in profits. Now, many of my stock positions are buy-right trades. We covered the buy-right strategy in previous videos. As I mentioned previously, over the intermediate term, I think the commodity and energy sectors have more room to the upside. Now, over the short term, the commodity stocks have had a pretty good run and are overdue for a correction. Of course, there will always be price corrections during every bull market, and you can't predict when they will occur, but I will be using these pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Now, commodity stock buy-right and in-the-money option spread trades also look attractive now as they offer downside protection in the case of a market correction. I know from experience that many times this downside protection has allowed me to maintain my positions and ride out the market correction.
Chuck, do you make trading recommendations for commodity and energy-related stocks?
Marie, yes. I think one of the best ways to profit from the bull market in commodities is to trade commodity and energy ETFs. I make commodity ETF trade recommendations through my global power trend advisory service. Now this table displays the current GPS advisory service open trade profit results for the commodity portfolio. The commodity portfolio currently consists of buy right and option spread trades and has an open trade profit of $32,000. As you can see, all trades are currently profitable. Now this table lists the GPS advisory monthly closed trade profit results. These closed trade profit results include the GPS currency, commodity, and equity portfolios. Now, for more information on my GPS advisory service, call our sales partner, Diversified Trading Strategies, toll-free at 877-872-3351, or log on to chuckhughеsadvisory.com.
Well, to sum things up, it appears that the current bull market in commodity stocks is presenting some good profit opportunities. I hope our viewers were able to gain some insights into trading the commodity sector. Going forward, if inflation does increase, the commodity sector will continue to provide some great profit opportunities. I want to thank everyone for viewing, and I am looking forward to our next presentation.